5 non-stick cooking plates. Easy to clean dual 5-inch cooking plates for making crispy 1-inch thick waffles in just 5 minutes. Waffles and more. Prepare tasty dessert or savory waffles by adding a variety of ingredients. Also great for making sandwiches, cookies, cakes or snack pockets. Ease of use. Plug in, wait for ready indicator light, grease cooking plates, pour batter, close lid, wait 3 minutes and waffles are ready. Includes 9 delicious recipes. Compact and cute design, built for small space, takes up barely any counter space, stands upright for storage taking up minimal cabinet space. Perfect for dorm rooms, camping and all-sized kitchens. Easy to clean, the Deluxe removable non-stick plates simply wipe clean with a damp cloth when cooled. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free, 1-2-3 cleanup. Looking to make a quick snack of golden and crispy waffles? Or perhaps an after-school grilled cheese sandwich? With the single-serve Elite Gourmet Non-Stick Waffle and Sandwich Maker, this compact snack maker is ideal for cooking something up fast and easy, whether it's for breakfast or a midday snack. The lightweight and compact design makes it a cinch to use for the whole family. The removable and interchangeable non-stick cooking plates easily snap in and out of the unit. It makes a perfect gift for anyone. Top reviews from the United States. Waffles, anyone? Definitely read the instructions before using. I preheat as instructed and then cook for 3.5 minutes. I used store-bought poisson dough, the kind that comes in a tube, just rolled it up and cooked it up. The first photo is with mozzarella cheese rolled in. The second one is plain that you can top with ice cream, Nutella, whipped cream and strawberries, etc. Nothing stuck, everything comes out easy and clean. The very first time I used it there was a burny kind of smell, but that was only the first time. It's heavier, in a good way, than I expected. Really great for the price. I had considered other larger ones, but I'm really happy with the size of this one. It's plenty big enough for me and takes up just a teeny bit of counter space.